Hello, how are you? I'm using this opportunity to invite you for the apprenticeship program with GTEXT Holdings. 2016, I lost my business, I lost everything, and I knew that I needed to start from somewhere. I knew that I needed to go and learn what it is to actually build a business. I saw this opportunity, for GTEXT Holdings 6-month apprenticeship. Then I prayed about it and God said, go for the apprenticeship. I'm like, okay, no problem. I've lost everything. I don't have a job. How do I start from the beginning and all of that? And I went in for the apprenticeship, and it was just for me to know what it takes to build a business that would stand, even when I'm no longer here. I knew I was going to be a blessing to humanity in different ways, but I still needed to have channels, where I can actually use my businesses as an enterprise, to fund those NGOs. So I came to GTEXT for my 6-month internship, and during the apprenticeship, it was so beautiful. There were a lot of things, I learned a lot of things. If you have there and you're looking for how to make money, how to really build a business that will stand, even if you're no longer here, GTEXT Holdings has given that opportunity. Of course, Dr. Steven is going to be there to train you. The deal is just 6-month apprenticeship, but it has extended to about 9 years because you keep learning and learning and learning and developing and becoming a better person. So I can't wait to see you. You better run now. If you have a friend, family, or anyone that is confused about what they need to do right now, I think they should come for this apprenticeship. It's an opportunity for you to grow and become a better person, just like I am, and several other people. So thank you. I need to see you there. I can't wait to receive you personally and also teach you on how I was able to make it through my journey. Thank you.